There are two struts, red arrows, on the hood of the 958 Cayenne. The hood will not stay up with only one strut attached, so either brace the hood up or get a friend to help. You can change out the lower strut mount while the engine panels are in place. The lower ball cup is a tight fit with them in place, but you can use a small flathead screwdriver or pick and gently ply the release clip away from the strut, red arrow, and slip the strut off the ball socket. If you want more room to work, remove the push-pull pins and slide the side engine panels off. There is a cutout in each panel to get around the strut indicated by the red arrow. On the upper mount, pry the clip out as well, red arrow. You may need to slightly lift the hood to release the weight from the strut and then remove it. Before installing a new strut, I'd like to put a small amount of white lithium grease on the ball cup, and installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.